the best budget Xbox controller. Beitong Zeus 2. Since 1997, Beitong has been at the forefront of gaming innovation. The Beitong Zeus 2 game controller. Designed for advanced gamers seeking precision and performance, the Zeus 2 promises to revolutionize your gaming experience across multiple platforms. Looking for the ultimate budget controller for your PC and Nintendo Switch? Look no further than the Beitong Zeus 2.
Hey guys, welcome to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity Technology. And before moving ahead, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for regular updates.
But before we get our hands on the controller, let's have a quick unboxing. As we get our hands unboxed, you can feel the brand's intent to make the best. Inside the box, we get a user manual in Chinese as well as an e-user manual. We get our controller with the shell on, and below we get extra pair of ABXY keys, USB dongle for connection, and a Type-C cable. The design is very gamery and premium with heavy quality material used, and it is comfortable to hold and operate. With 3 connection options, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4G wireless, and a 6.5 FT cord, the Zeus 2 ensures seamless compatibility across various gaming platforms. It intelligently identifies PC and Nintendo Switch, supporting both wired and wireless connections. Say goodbye to traditional mechanical keys. The Zeus 2 features real optical micro switches, offering lightning-fast response times with a mere 0.25mm trigger stroke. Experience a 64% increase in speed compared to traditional mechanical keys, enhancing your gaming experience like never before. Take control of your gaming experience with the Zeus 2's detachable modular components. Customize your controller with different AXBY key modules, adjustable anti-wear joysticks, and interchangeable D-pads. Plus, the magnetic face shell allows for easy customization and personalization. Enjoy unparalleled precision with the Zeus 2's Hall electromagnetic induction trigger system. With trigger locks for long and short strokes and rich vibration effects, every press feels responsive and immersive. Experience true motion control with Beitong's advanced technology, perfectly adapted for Nintendo Switch and PC sensing games. Plus, AI shortcut keys provide one-click access to essential functions like screenshotting and recording. Take advantage of 6 additional macro programmable keys on the backside of the controller. Immerse yourself in high-fidelity sound with the built-in professional sound decoder and customizable EQ settings. Optical Axis mechanical keys, redefining sensitivity limits. The Zeus 2's Optical Axis mechanical keys offer unparalleled responsiveness and durability. With a shorter travel distance and lighter touch, enjoy quicker responses and alleviate long-term strain on your hands. Immersive trigger vibration. Experience cinematic level feedback with the Zeus 2's immersive trigger vibration. The Hall trigger, supplemented by trigger vibration, enhances game immersion for an unforgettable gaming experience. High-resolution audio. Immerse yourself in the authentic game sound with high-resolution audio. Equipped with a professional USB audio decoder, enjoy super low latency wireless transmission for an unparalleled gaming audio experience. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? Upgrade to the Beitong Zeus 2 game controller. Multi-platform. Seamlessly switch between PC, Switch, iOS, Android, and more. Custom joysticks. Tailor your controls for personalized comfort and precision. Advanced AI. Access essential functions with one-click convenience. Optical micro switches. Lightning-fast response times for enhanced performance. Hall trigger and vibration feedback. Unparalleled precision and immersive gameplay. Why settle for ordinary controllers when you can level up with Zeus 2? Get yours today.
So, this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comments section. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.